The P0705 diagnostic trouble code indicates a malfunction in the transmission range sensor circuit. This code is one of the most common transmission-related issues in modern vehicles. The transmission range sensor, also known as the park neutral position switch or neutral safety switch, is a critical component that communicates the current gear selection to the vehicle's computer systems. Let's examine the transmission range sensor in detail. This sensor is typically located on the transmission case and monitors the position of the gear selector. The transmission range sensor serves four critical functions in your vehicle. First, it prevents the engine from starting unless the transmission is in park or neutral position, ensuring safety. Second, it controls the reverse lights, automatically turning them on when you shift into reverse gear. Third, it informs the transmission control module about the current gear selection, enabling proper shift timing and operation. Fourth, it enables proper torque converter lockup operation, which improves fuel efficiency and transmission performance. Now let's examine how the sensor works electrically. The transmission range sensor operates within a specific voltage range of 0.5 to 4.5 volts DC, with each gear position producing a unique voltage signature. Each gear position produces a specific voltage. Park position typically reads 0.8 to 1.2 volts, while reverse reads 1.8 to 2.2 volts. Neutral position reads 2.8 to 3.2 volts, and drive positions range from 3.5 to 4.2 volts. These precise voltage ranges allow the computer to accurately determine gear selection. Let's look at a real-world example of how these sensors are wired. This diagram shows the actual connections and continuity patterns for different gear positions. Modern vehicles use enhanced diagnostic scanners that can monitor these voltage signals in real time. This allows technicians to see exactly what the sensor is reporting during operation. When the transmission range sensor fails or sends incorrect signals, the vehicle's computer triggers the P0705 code. This can affect engine starting, shift quality, and other critical vehicle functions. Diagnosing a P0705 code requires a systematic approach. Start with confirming the code using a professional diagnostic scanner, then proceed through visual inspection and electrical testing. Visual inspection involves checking the transmission range sensor, connectors, and wiring harness for physical damage, corrosion, or loose connections. Pay special attention to connector pins and wire insulation. Voltage testing is critical for proper diagnosis. Test the sensor output voltage in each gear position. Typical values range from 0.8 volts in park to over 4 volts in drive positions. Perform voltage drop testing to identify circuit problems. Test both power and ground circuits. A voltage drop exceeding 0.1 volts indicates a problem in the circuit that needs attention. Once diagnosis is complete, repair solutions vary by root cause. Sensor replacement is most common, accounting for about 45% of cases. Connector and wiring repairs are also frequent solutions. Prevention is key to avoiding future P0705 codes. Regular transmission service should include connector inspection and cleaning. Protect electrical components from moisture and consider proactive sensor replacement if signal quality shows degradation. Remember these key diagnostic tips. Always perform voltage drop testing before replacing components. Use manufacturer-specific procedures rather than generic approaches, and consider environmental factors like moisture and temperature in your diagnosis.